Hey guys, it's Jacob with Tech Retrospective. We put out part 1 and part 2 of our unboxing Windows history, and we got comments from you guys saying, what about this version of Windows? What about this version of Windows? Why weren't they included? Do you think we weren't going to do more? Of course. Today, we're going to be looking at Microsoft Windows for Workgroups. It's this huge kit with a ton of extra fun stuff. It's going to be great. Let's get into it. I really like this box. It's big. It is, it's easily twice as thick as any other piece of software we have, twice as long as wise. It's kind of nuts. You can see you get Microsoft Windows for Workgroups Add-on Starter Kit. That does mean you already have to have Windows 3.1. It even says right there requires Windows 3.1. Luckily, we already unboxed that, so we definitely have a copy, or a couple. I never showed you the back. I should do that before we do that. Check it out. It shows everything that's inside. That's all you get to see because I don't actually want to spoil it. I've been looking at the back of this box forever since we got it, and I've been like, ooh, I can't wait to unbox this because I'm so excited about some of the items inside. It has occurred to me that this is not coming out very easily. Oh my God. There we go. The outside box goes off to the side. And here we are. Read me first. I don't wanna. We have floppy disks. We'll come back to those. This is, wow, they really cram things in here. There's like no wasted space. Want the address of the most important person at Microsoft? I've already seen that, Windows. Your guide to service and support for users of Microsoft Windows for Workgroups. Interesting, interesting. I'm just going to blaze through because there are so many papers and documents here, it's kind of nuts. Microsoft offers a workgroup contact with the outside world. Introducing 2 ways to share more information with more people. LAN manager. Okay. I love how half the stuff in this box is buy more stuff from us. Most common questions and answers about Microsoft Windows for Workgroups. What's crazy about this is it's literally a Q&A, and you'd never have something like this in a modern box. It would just be on their website. Windows for Workgroups User's Guide. I wonder if they give you 2, one for each computer. Because this is, if you didn't catch for whatever reason, this is designed to be used on 2 different computers to network them together. I'm not sure what the process would be for adding additional users. I'm not sure. Mail User's Guide. What's next? Getting started. That is a very thick getting started guide. Wow. We're gonna keep going. User's Guide. The thickest guide of them all. That's great. That is a lot of documentation. That's very cool. And we have more floppy disks. Let's do that now, because I think that's all the floppy disks. Let's find out how many we got. Breaking the seal. So, we have 5 1/4, or 5 1/4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 1/2. One, 2, 3. And a second pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a lot of software. Now I have to pick it all up. That's pretty amazing. You know, this was the point where you could have theoretically gotten this on CD, I'm sure, but like the odds of you having a computer with a CD drive, let alone 2, pretty low. Let's go back into the big pizza box and see what's under the first layer. We have our, I'll just open it. Let's get, how does the inside of the bag smell musty? That doesn't make any sense at all. So, here's your networking cable. Looks, I'm not directly familiar with this cable. It kind of looks like a BNC connector. Like that's the closest thing I can see to it, or like some of the, I guess it's just like, kind of like an RF cable. I wonder what cabling they're using. I'm sorry, I'm not familiar with it. Considering that this package was released, what, 3 years before I was even born? Cut me some slack. Okay, we got all your, interesting, it's like a splitter for it. And then you've got some dummy end connectors. That's pretty cool. Back into the box. We have the networking card itself. What does it say for the warning? Attention, static sensitive device. Yes, I know. Oh, this sticker is not going to survive. No. All the glue on that's gone funky. Nothing like broken on it, no chips or anything, which is very good. That looks pretty neat. I like how it's got a very dark green hue to it for most of the board versus a light green. Yeah, it looks way better in the back. I should have just showed that. Interesting. And now we have another one, because of course you need one for each computer. What else is in the box? Check it out. We have a screwdriver, a Microsoft Windows screwdriver. It's got a Phillips head and flat head, and despite the fact that I'm really excited because it's really cool to have an official Windows screwdriver, it does not look like a very good screwdriver at all. This is the type of thing you'd use if you have to. Let me make sure I didn't miss anything. Have I been deceived? This can't. I'm incredibly disappointed. It does say it comes included, right? After you read it, watch this step by step. So here's the thing. It says here it comes with a VHS tape of the installation video. Where is it? That was the part I was most excited for. It's not in here. I feel robbed. I feel cheated. I'm upset. That was literally the thing I was looking forward to showing you guys, was the VHS tape. And it's not here. That's incredibly disappointing. Maybe I should call Microsoft and let them know that I didn't get a VHS tape with my box, and maybe they'll send me one. I'm trying not to be emotional. There's no VHS tape in here. Well, that ruins everything. Oh well. Well, if you guys like this video, please make sure to subscribe and be on the lookout for more Windows unboxings. We've got some really cool ones coming up in the future. And of course, leave a comment down below saying, we're sorry. I'm sorry you didn't get your VHS tape. And I'll see you guys next time.